We see the majority of the time we're going to replace that motor. Finding somebody that's willing to take a motor, maybe have to have it rewound, takes a significant amount of time. There's a cost with that you're getting close to the cost of a new machine. But the downtime is really the cost, is it's either not producing money for the laundromat or it's down and now you're having to staff differently and pay these people to, while that machine's not working for you, that the cost difference that you think you're going to save gets overrun by labor costs. So the best thing is just, hey, put a new motor in there and get a warranty with it and move on. Certainly can run into those situations where it's a specialized voltage that maybe the backlog to get it is really long. We've run into scenarios where, yes, depending on the age of the machine, it isn't a motor available anymore, that all those have become obsolete. That's not or I should say that is a fairly rare occurrence. Most of the time we can figure something out. We've been able to adapt other brands' motors to them, put a different pulley system on them to make sure that the speed of the motor and the belt and the drive pulley are all aligned so that we have the proper speeds on them. But that's the reason you use a professional distributor that can help you get through those challenges and the things we do in the background that customers may not even see.